Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a collective haul. I actually put up a poll on Instagram asking you guys what you guys would like to watch on this channel and my Telugu channel. A lot of you guys said you wanted to watch hauls, and I actually was planning to do something around sarees today, but then I have a lot of things here, some pieces from Myntra, then Nykaa, some things which I've ordered during sale, and some PR packages. So it's going to be a collective haul. I have a lot of things here, and I also made myself a cup of frappe. So this is going to be a long video, and I hope you enjoyed. Let's begin. Let's start with Myntra. I don't have a lot of kurtas or anything from Myntra, but I ordered 2 of these pieces during sale. These were actually lying in my wish list for a long time. So when there was sale, I thought it was the right time to get it. So this is the first dress. It's actually a short dress. I think it'll be above knees if I were to wear it as a dress, but I think I'll wear it with some pants. So I thought it was really cute. It has this Peter Pan collar and really cute sleeves. It has elastic here, and I love this color. So I have a maxi dress in this color, but I have worn it a couple of times. I think it faded a little bit. So as soon as I saw this color, I got pretty excited. This is from the brand called Sassafras, and this brand actually has really nice ones. Once I added this to my cart, I saw like really cute recommendations. There was something similar in peach, and there were a lot of dresses, but I wanted to first see if, you know, it'll fit me. So I wasn't really sure whether fit will be right and how the quality is going to be. So this part of it, the collar is actually, it has self work also, and this part is I think organza. The rest of it is like cotton mix. It's quite soft and feels breathable. So it has this layers. This is another piece which is lying in my wish list for a really long time. It's so pretty, right? This is from this brand called Indus or Indus, I'm not sure. It has like a nice v-neck detailing here, and it has a little bit of this really nice rose gold detailing here. It has that all throughout in different patterns, and it has a little bit of a frilly waist, and then at the bottom it has ruffles again and a little bit of chip detailing. So like so much detailing in this. It sort of is like party wear. You can wear it in like Indo-Western style, wear it as a dress, as a kurta, or like a really nice boho outfit. You can wear it with like silver jewelry. Because this gold is like a very subtle gold. It will go well with like gold or silver jewelry. I think I might wear it with some silver jewelry. You will see a lot of these styling videos on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. But this was pretty expensive. That's the reason I was waiting for the sale. So this is $39.99, and I got both the dresses in XXL. Again, this brand also has really good things. Like I got crop tops from this brand earlier, and they're like really pretty. Just look at this dress. It is so beautiful. I think you can twirl in it. So I haven't been buying anything. That's the reason you're not seeing much of like Myntra hauls and all that. So that's why I'm trying to do more of like styling videos or vlogs. I am doing some hauls of whatever I'm buying. That's why this is a collective haul, because I don't have a lot to show you guys. So that is it for clothing. It's been a while since I did a collective haul like this. I'm pretty excited. Look at these jhumkas. I was wearing this in one of the vlogs. I think they're very big and very beautiful and not too heavy. Like you can wear them for some time. I absolutely love them. You can wear them with like chudidars, kurtas, and even saris. I think I have one sari which is a block print. It's a light pastel color. I try and put a picture here. I wanted to style it with that. I think it looked very beautiful. I also got this neck piece. This can be a little crazy for some people. Some people might like it. My mom freaked out when she saw this. Yeah, she also freaked out. But I think you can style it in a really nice way. I've been into shell accessories quite a bit from last year. I'm even wearing a clip which has shells. This one is a little classy. This is a little boho. You can dress it up in so many different ways. And I did get one more pair of like a choker necklace. I'm really not sure where. I think it's in my other house. I'm not able to recollect. Anyway, I got this from Picnic. So I've seen a lot of people talk about this store, but this is my first time getting something, and I thought some of the pieces are a little expensive, but this was quite affordable. So this is a choker, and it is so gorgeous. Thought this was very different. Again, you can layer this, you can wear this choker and a longer neck piece as well. You can style it with your anarkalis or like kurtas. It's a very beautiful piece, adds a very classy touch. And last time I think I showed you guys some jewelry from Adore by Priyanka. So even she has such stone jewelry, but this one is a little different. They are also quite affordable. You should check them out. Beatnik I felt was a little expensive. However, this is of a really good quality and very beautiful. Really like this one as well. Now we just have two more pieces of accessories, and I was wearing one of this in my earlier video and a lot of you guys really liked it when I posted a picture on Instagram. So these are from an Instagram store called The Bridal Tales by Ria. I think the handle goes by a different name. I'll put it here. And this moonstone pendant is just so pretty. I was wearing it in my earlier video. Just look at this, it's so beautiful. I thought this looked so gorgeous. Again, I think these would look so pretty when worn on like simple outfits. You can just add these accessories and they would look very beautiful. I got this laptop bag from Zouk. I think this was also in one of my earlier videos and a lot of you guys asked about it. So this is that ikat printed one, and it has this tan brown handles, and they have a lot of options, but this is the one that I got, and it is so convenient. It has a zipper here which you can put all whatever keys or something when you're just in a hurry. And inside this also there's quite a lot of compartments, which I was pretty excited about. You can place your laptop here, the chargers and stuff, and your phone and pens or lip balm. There's place here as well, and there's also a front pocket, which I thought was very useful. So I've put some notes here and some tissues and stuff. So again, this was also a purchase. This actually I got this in PR, but I've been eyeing something from them from a very long time, and I wanted to get one of these bags. I've even seen some in the local market in Shilparamam, but the quality of this one is much different. It's actually really good. So the zipper quality or the handles and everything is different from what you see in the local markets. So it's totally worth the money, and these are quite affordable, which I really like. So again, this was quite some time back when I thought we'll all be heading back to work. So I was looking to buy it, and luckily I got this in PR. So a lovely one. So do check them out. And not just laptop bags, they have different styles of bags. This is a cute little wallet. So I wanted to include this in a giveaway because I am keeping this for myself. Thank you so much, Zouk, for sending over these two. And I will be doing a giveaway with this probably on Instagram or YouTube. I'm not sure. It's been a while since I hosted a giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned for this. I'll be including this and few other products probably. But yeah, giveaway is definitely coming up. Just look at this print. Really cute, right? And the quality is really good. I just don't want to open it. Just keep it this way. But the Aztec print and everything and the zipper detailing, everything is so good. Now let's move to Nykaa. I have few products from the Nykaa Luxe, and rest of them are just normal products. I got a lot of these during sale. These are also products which I got in PR, but I've been absolutely loving them. I'm sure you've seen them everywhere, but this is not sponsored. This is the Derma Vibe Hydra Cleanser, and this is made of sativa seed powder, and this is for sensitive skin, and this is really good. It makes sure that your pH balance is maintained and your skin doesn't dry out. So this is what I've been using, and this is what I've been giving Yashu also, because he has very sensitive skin and he gets rashes very easily. I posted a story on this, I think, and a lot of you guys asked how it's working out for sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin because I turn red and stuff, but otherwise I don't get rashes or reactions to products. But yeah, this one has been working out quite well. And this is the Nutriderm Moisturizing Lotion, Vitamin E, and this is also really good, and it's not sticky, which is what I look for in moisturizer, and it's very hydrating. So I've used it today. So today I don't have any base makeup on. I put on a little blush though. So this is also really good. If you're looking for something non-sticky but very nourishing and moisturizing, then this is something you should try out. A few more of skincare. So I got L'Oreal UV Perfect Matte and Finish, and since you're stepping out a little bit for like groceries and stuff, Although you see a lot of people using sunscreen even at home, and especially right now because I'm using Studio Light, I've used sunscreen. But otherwise, in general, I don't use it on a regular basis. I like to allow my skin to breathe. But if I'm stepping out, I'm definitely using this, and this is not very oily or greasy, so I really like that, and it works quite well. I actually got this on Nishita's recommendation. Nishita actually has really good skincare videos and even other videos also. And I also got this on her recommendation. This is the Moist Full Collagen Skincare Kit from Etude House, and this was on sale, and this is usually 850 rupees. So this is like a mini version. I thought it was a very good time to try it because it was just about 400 bucks or 350 rupees during the sale. Thank you for recommending this, Nishita. So look at this bottle. It's a very cute. It's a very travel friendly. Comes with a facial toner, emulsion, and a moisturizing cream and essence. So they're like all mini, and they're so cute. I really like Etude House products. They work really well, and I really like their makeup products. They're very cute packaging. And then I got this Curl Fix mascara remover from Etude House. I've been facing a real problem with L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I got the waterproof one, and then it's really difficult to remove it. Even if I'm using double cleansing, I just find it difficult. So I got this. I'm yet to use this. I will let you guys know on probably Instagram stories on how this works. This is the Power Hold Strength and Energy, and this was also on a good sale. This is 395 rupees, and it was on sale as well. So I got this. My hair is very thin. Even if I wear some sort of a hairstyle, it usually comes off very easily. So I thought when I'm shooting something or for special occasions, that might be good, because I believe I heard this is quite strong. This summer I had like a lavender obsession. This is what I'm wearing on my nails as well. So this is the Faces Canada Splash in the shade, what shade is this? I think it is some violet something. I will leave the link in the description box. And I also got the Glam Girls eyeshadow in the shade purple. I'm yet to use this. You'll probably see it in some Instagram video. Next up we have this liquid concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty, and I've already used this last week, and I think I got a lighter shade. I was hoping to get a peachy shade, like a slightly darker shade, which I can use under my eyes and like even for like spots and everything, but I think I chose the lighter shade. So this is like a highlighting shade for me. So but then this is so creamy, and it blends so easily, more similar to the Maybelline concealer, Maybelline Fit Me concealer, so sort of like a dupe. So I got this Becca highlighter, and this is so subtle, and this is the color Champagne Pop. Really beautiful. I think this was a limited edition packaging, but you'll get them in the normal one as well. And this was also free for that. We are almost at the end, and now I have some products from Skin Paradise. So these were also in PR, and I absolutely love the products. Just look at them. This looks so tempting, and I'm so excited to use this, but I just wanted to show you guys first. This is the Rose Bath Salt and Foot Soak. It's a detox foot soak. I'm very excited about this. I'm going to make sure that my mom also tries this, and even my dad probably. This is the cleansing rose clay mask. So excited, you guys. I love such skin products. And they have soaps. This is the Orange Zest soap, exfoliating coffee soap. They have like packaging, so almond and cherry body butter. Wow, I love fruity stuff. Look at this. I already feel like the texture feels so creamy. I already feel like, oh wow, this is going to be great for winters or for dry skin. This I've already started using. This is the lip balm. It's the strawberry variant. And this is what it looks like, and this is very nourishing and very light. It's not greasy and all that, but really good. I just topped it off on my lipstick. So these were all products from Skin Paradise. I think there was one more soap. I've given it to my dad because he loves using handmade soaps, and can't wait to try this. I think I'll do like a full review on Instagram. Thank you so much for sending these Skin Paradise, and I think I'll try and include some in giveaway as well. So that was my collective haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to watch. I have a few other styling videos and vlogs coming up, and also let me know what you would like to watch on my Telugu channel. And I'll leave my Instagram handle here as well. I keep doing short reviews, mini reviews, and a lot of makeup videos and styling videos. So don't forget to follow me there as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.